Hi, I'm Nancy Murphy, also known as the Yellow Dot Artist. Today I'm going to be doing art with food. It's a different medium, but I'm making a creation. So I started by making my own almond milk, and this is the pulp. It's a new almond maker and machine. I don't care for it. Then I have to press the pulp in my juicer to get milk. Then I head over to my Vitamix with all the ingredients, and you can see the recipe below. It's cinnamon dolce ice cream. It's delicious. So I have a new ice cream maker, and you pour it into the container. It has to be on a level surface so it's flat, and you put it in the freezer for 24 hours. So I put it in there. It took 3 minutes, and it turned it into actual ice cream. Scoopable ice cream. I highly recommend this machine, the Ninja Creami. If you'd like to check out my art, head over to yellow.artist.com.